Here's your 60-second script. Ever wonder why table salt is a solid at room temperature but dissolves instantly in water? The answer comes down to one number, lattice energy. Lattice energy tells you exactly how strongly ions are held together in a crystal structure. The higher the value, the more stable the compound. It's foundational for chemistry students, researchers, and anyone working with ionic materials. Our Lattice Energy Interactive Calculator does the heavy lifting for you. Just enter your ion charges, ionic radii, and coordination number, and it instantly applies the Born-Lende equation to give you a precise result. For example, plug in sodium and chloride values, charges of +1 and -1, radii of 116 and 167 picometers, and you get approximately 787 kilojoules per mole. Matches experimental data almost exactly. No textbook hunting. No manual calculations, just accurate answers in seconds. Try the free calculator now, link is right below.